Come here, Jordan.
Oh my God. Oh, you scared the little dog. Oh my God, Shayla, it's like a baby.
I'm sorry, Jordan.
Don't ever try that crap. Oh God.
I ain't gonna bring him in the car. He did.
He's mean too, y'all. He scratched me and jumped out the car. That was mean. I agree completely.
Hey, Jordan.
Carson,
Hey,
I swear to
Jordan.
God.
I'm not gonna bring it in the car. Allie touched you. See, you live.
Me.
Hey, Jordan. You're pretty.
Yeah, I'm pretty. And, oh my God.